Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Discord is not installing or not working in Windows. If Discord issues us, I need to go search menu, start search menu and type this shift plus 5 option. I am using this. I having keyboard like this. You need to use this symbol for this and app data and use that symbol again. Here is app data, new file folder. Go to this folder and delete Discord. If you are not able to delete the Discord, you need to go to task manager and backside processes. You need to eject Discord. I don't have Discord. You need to eject it, like right clicking it and eject task. You need to eject Discord of background processes, and there we go. You need to go another this symbol, type this symbol and local app data, local app data. Use this symbol. Here is file folder, click on it and delete the Discord again. That's it guys, you need to reinstall the Discord and hope that work, and install it again and that will definitely work for you. You need to restart it. Okay, thanks for watching my video guys. Give me a thumbs up please guys. Thank you.